It's the same pattern as before. A timed reflection, then. Exactly. Let's send the rover. Okay, cover's secure. Looks clean. Good dog. Console's showing some weird patterns. Get over here. They're echoing geometry. There's our signature. The notch points to the same azimuth as the delayed returns. A topographic culprit begins to emerge from old survey left. Outstanding. Sun geometry guide verified. It's a lock. Check the exterior. Dust trend confirmed. We have a green light. The brief occlusion at low sun overlaps the same directional corridor that the carvings indicate. Good dog. Initiating a fixed beat ping test to catch the echo cleanly. The ping's stretched. It's the sun angle. Get ready, Lucky. Woof. Pulling spectral wand, contact sensors, marker stakes, and fallback beacon. Charge glows holding steady. Good. Let's cross-check rare light against sun path.
Testing. Refines the sun angle solution. Predicted corridor opens only once, late and not for long.
All right, Lucky. Return gear is prepped. Let's do this.
It worked for you, Race Mon.
Aiden's status report.
Verified. Return route established. Proceeding with caution.
The signal is wavering. Data integrity dropping. West wall shadow affecting the feed. Mark the path now, before it's too dark. The sky narrows. Concentric terraces, like seating. An amphitheater. I verify before moving toward the basin. The depth's changing. Testing against the signal path. I'm moving into the recess. Ping successful. Signal is clear. The caldera must be amplifying it. Examine the carved groove. The groove aims toward the same western notch. Light and movement guidance appear designed as one system. Checking ground vibration.
Line of sight confirmed. Signal is live.
Copy. Analyzing ping quality now.
Spectral return is anomalous. This surface was treated.
Match results with adjacent natural rock.
Analyzing the contrast. The finished band provides a tighter return. This indicates human. The alignment is confirmed. The system is engaging. Stand by for full activation. Activation confirmed. Proceeding deeper. The reflected signal sharpens. The illuminated pattern below shifts subtly instead of collapsing. Analyzing geometry. Seams appear too regular. Confirmed. Not natural. Check for shifting load. Scanning for changes. Spectral return matches. Structure logic confirmed. Initiating comparison against wall data. Results pending. The seam spectrum, wall data, and notch alignment cluster together.
All three signatures confirm it's processed.
We need to check the deeper recess before the light fades. The archive confirms the geometry. This chamber holds the lesson. The context for the lecture hall above it.
The carvings stack in generations, each layer deepening the same atmospheric lesson.
The hall taught the slow death of the Martian atmosphere as a learnable process. He compares the later carvings to the earlier teaching sequence.
The later band descriptive warning. Note the repeated reductions in retained air.
The symbol appears after the decline sequence instead of within it.
As an outcome rather than another stage. The depth of the cut shows multiple generations. Look at the lower alcove for the final transition. The newest cuts, also the most eroded, suggests overuse under stress. This dates the last lesson to a late, pressured phase. The arcs rise, thin, and fade in a sequence that mirrors atmospheric loss rather than random weather change. The phenomenon resolves perfectly. It's grounded in design. The corridor must be tested again. The arcs are thinning and separating. They're depleted.
Compare the active sequence to the carved decline arcs.
The notch corresponds. The last lesson confirms it.
Affirmative, Aidens. Time is critical. Test the corridor now.
Initiating sequence.
The lower seams are quivering. Something is waking beneath the seats. I hear it. Turning now. Retreat route is cutting off.
geometry is closing.
Negative. Bypass required. Move it. Sector Alpha, repeating route 305. Come in. Transmission breaking. 305. Sector Alpha, copy? Go here. Go here. Follow the beacon. Go here. Retra.
Records the last preserved panel showing the small circle breaking from the larger ring.
The line points beyond the western plane toward a second unresolved direction. The amphitheater may be only the first node in a larger chain. Retreat. Now.
Brace. Wall holding. The lower route is gone.
Copy that. Proceed with caution.
Keep your eyes on the marker. Just a bit further to the ascent.
Com check. Systems nominal.
Understood. Proceed with ascent.
The impacts and cues confirm upward progress. Hab 1, standby for return.
The weight of the classroom. It's too much. Data incoming. Chamber scans, beam timings, and beacon placement all survived. Look, Lucky, the evidence is here. Whimper, pant. Evidence secure. Let's see what Lucky found. Data received. Initiating analysis.
Analyzing the caldera structure. Terraces, chambers, and reflective bands locking in.
It's creating a communication corridor.
Checking the floor replay to find the trigger.
The inward movement begins before full darkness. Can the same geometry be used more safely from above?
The buried hull can be used or avoided with better discipline. Woof. Compares final departure symbol to new model bearing.
The last lesson continues somewhere else. Commit the record to a new archive branch, Lucky. Successful archive, Lucky?
Yes.
Pulse chirp, relay clack, uplink complete, it's stable.
Fan wash, low console hum.
Good boy. Okay, let's push the model further.
The last lesson, it seems to be the first waypoint. Recording night diary.
The evidence is irrefutable. Our next mission is clear, stemming not from conjecture, but from this data.
The classroom of the first settlers, a narrow path back home. And the bearing to the west remains unsettled.